Today we are going to learn about how to create these two lower thirds. Then, let's start. First, I create the composition in 1080px as width and height. Here, create a new text layer. I type for graphic designer. I didn't like this color, so I changing this color to white. Align to center. Ctrl plus double tap on anchor point tool to change anchor point to the center. I change this font to Montserrat. Now duplicate this layer. Ctrl plus D is the shortcut for duplicate. Change the position of duplicate layer into the top of the first layer. I change this text. Align to center. I'm getting a little bold. It's okay. Create a new shape layer. Make a rectangle that will mask the first text. Now, duplicate this shape layer and set it into bottom text. Change the position of the duplicated shape layer next to the text. If you can't see this option, tap for toggle switches, modes. Here, set the time indicator to the first second. Now, add keyframe for the position. Set time indicator to 0 and change position of text. Now, select these two keyframes and make easy ease. Shortcut is F9. Here, do the same things to this text. But now, change position to opposite side. Let's animate it back. For that, copy these two keyframes and paste fourth second. Now, make its time reverse. Here, do the same. Now, let's see the animation once more. Let's create this lower third animation. Really, it's also same steps. First, create a shape layer and make a rectangle. Set time indicator to first second and add keyframe for position. Add keyframe for scale and skew too. Here, increase skew. Select these three keyframes and make easy ease. Now set the time indicator to 0 and change the position, scale and skew. Change scale manually. Now we have this animation. Make a new text layer. I type the previous text. Duplicate this layer and change position. Now, change the text. Continue to do here as we did before. Increase the skew here, but remember we have to give as much as we give for the rectangle on the side. Add keyframe. Change position. Do the same. Now we have this animation, but we need this animation go back. For that, as we know, we are going copy and paste, then make all of them time reverse. Finally, we have this. Thanks for watching. Now, subscribe and wait for the next video. Goodbye.